Good, it finally cleared up. Hey guys, it's Jan, Not a Real Farm. So today, I tried doing a video for you guys yesterday, but we were under a blizzard warning. And I started doing a video, so I'll show you that clip at the end so you can see what kind of winds we were dealing with. It was about 100-kilometer-an-hour winds, and I just couldn't. We were going to come out here and do a video for you with the wood stove, but I couldn't because it was just too windy. So essentially what happened was we ended up losing power, and we had to connect the wood boiler to our generator so that the manifold and the pump would keep circulating the hot water in the floor. So we were actually without power for the entire day, but with that being able to be circulated, and of course, you know, with the heat that it throws, we were actually pretty good to go for the remainder of the storm. But one of the things we're going to do today, now that it's actually cleared up but way colder, is now we got to clean this out. So we got to start over. We got to take the ashes out. So we wanted to do a video on that for you guys. So let's get over there. Hubby's getting everything ready. So just for shits and giggles, here is the temperature we're currently at. We're at about -20, feels like about -30 right now. So we went through a warm front, and now all of a sudden we're back down to it being freezing. Let's get over to the stove. Frozen fingers. Are you making room?
Yeah. And I'm giving you heck for not wearing gloves.
He's giving me heck for not wearing gloves.
It's 20 some odd below, and you don't have gloves.
It's hard to use gloves when you're videoing.
I told you to use my little gloves.
Yes, yes.
That can,
Do you hear the husband and wife banter here, guys? It never stops.
I'll tell you something though, I love her like crazy. Are you videoing me hauling these logs?
Oh, yeah. They have to see the real labor in this thing.
Our winter workout.
Yep, winter workout. All right, we've made room.
There's not a lot of ash here.
Just a lot of ash? Burnt clean?
There's not a lot of ash.
Oh, there's not. Okay.
I am not cleaning it.
You don't have to?
I am not cleaning it.
There's not that much?
No, it burnt. I left it burn clean.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, I'm freezing.
Okay, let's just load it then, I guess. I had to run back in, guys, and get gloves. Don't tell my husband. It's freezing. Let's get back to the stove.
But look at the smoke, how it's curling. It's coming out.
Yep.
It's going against the stove, and then it's flooding this area, and it's so hard to load it.
Oh, yeah.
But 3 weeks and there's not a lot of ash. It's not worth about 4 inches of ash.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I was expecting way more ash than that.
Nothing. It was all cold yesterday. I let it burn down.
I know, I was just telling them how we connected it up to the generator so that it could keep running and through the power outage yesterday.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Time to go in.
Time to go in. Here we go. Not a lot of ash. Thanks very much for joining us today, guys. We are running inside in this temperature. See you soon. Hey guys, it's Jan, Not a Real Farm. So we've been under a blizzard warning for the last 24 hours, and you can see just by my flag, which I'm about to save because it's going to fly off, that it is absolutely horrible out here. The video probably really doesn't do the snow justice, but if you look down at the bottom of my driveway, you can see how much it's sort of flying around down here. So one of the things that's happened is now that the power has turned off, and God knows when that's going to come back on, we actually have to go back to the wood boiler, because the one thing that's controlling the power, and the only reason why the power is run to the boiler, is because the power controls the damper. And so that's something now that we're going to have to deal with. And so my husband is digging out the generator as we speak. And in the meantime, thank goodness I clipped my flag on. Otherwise, my flag would have been somewhere down the road right now. I'm just going to take this off, and we're going to go follow the hubby around and see what he's doing. So just giving you a little bit of a glimpse on what the weather is. See all the snow blowing around. It's horrible out here. Earlier on, it was zero visibility. We couldn't see it all, but since then, the power's been knocked out. So this is something now we have to deal with. Thank God we have the wood boiler and everything is still warm. The floors are still warm. The house is holding at about 82 degrees right now inside, so we're not cold. But like I said, we have to deal with now the fact that the damper isn't operational on the stove because the power's gone out. Oh my God, this sucks. Let's see what he's doing.